This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. Introducing a brand new cording foot set for the Sailrite Fabricator or Sailrite 111 sewing machine. This cording or piping foot was specifically designed by Sailrite to make sewing piping easy. We'll demonstrate it, then show you how to install it. This 1/4 inch cording foot sews piping sizes from 5/32 inch to 9/32 inch. Here we are sewing a bias cut fabric onto Sailrite's 5/32 inch medium welting cord. This cording foot set was specifically designed to make feeding piping so easy that all you have to do is guide the fabric assembly. No longer do you have to worry about keeping the piping in the tunnel of the foot. Just sew as fast as you want. With this cording foot set sold exclusively by Sailrite, now you can achieve better feeding of your cording onto your finished project. It's engineered to take curves smoothly without getting stuck or walking over the cording, as you can see here. Here we are sewing this bias piping onto a chaise lounge chair cushion. The fabric brand used is called Krypton Home, which is available at Sailrite. This 1/4 inch cording foot works on the Sailrite Fabricator, the Sailrite 111 sewing machine, the Sailrite Big and Tall, the Consew 206 RB, and the Juki 1541. Why does this cording foot work so well for curves and corners? Well, notice the cutout at the rear of the outside foot. It allows for the piping cord to take a sharp turn without the foot compressing the piping at the turn, as other cording feet often do. How to install it is next. To install this cording foot set, first the standard foot needs to be removed. Lift the presser foot and then remove the screw holding the outside presser foot. Now the outside presser foot can be removed. Release the set screw on the inside presser foot and push the foot down and off. Next, install the inside presser foot of the cording foot set in the same manner, pushing it onto the round shaft. Once it's all the way up, use a 3mm Allen key and tighten the foot so that it's straight. The needle should be centered in the middle of the hole. Now take the outer foot and place it between the prongs and then reinsert the screw that was removed. Start the screw by hand, then use a standard screwdriver and tighten the screw down. Do not tighten it all the way until you lower the presser foot. Make sure the presser foot is flat up against the needle plate and then tighten the screw down securely. Now the cording foot set 1/4 inch for Fabricator sewing machine is installed and ready for use. The cording foot set 1/4 inch for Fabricator is exclusively sold at Sailrite. Order yours today.